Wow.
Come to Papa!
How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton. Kamusta sa lahat? And today we are going to be making Siopao. Siopao is a very famous food in the Philippines. It's a soft steamed bun, usually with chicken, pork, beef, and even egg. It's so delicious, I love it. It's really easy to make and I'm gonna show you how. Here are our ingredients. Let's get started. The first step we're gonna do is make the dough. And just like any dough, we have to activate the yeast. Water, sugar, and of course our yeast. Let's put this to the side to rest. Now, to a large bowl, we're gonna add our flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, and vegetable oil. Hey guys, after about 10 minutes, it should look like this. Check out that. You know that yeast is working. Let's add this mixture to the flour. Use your hands when you can't mix anymore. Put some oil in the pot. We put this so that it doesn't stick. Okay.
Who's your daddy?
When it looks like this, we can let it rest and put this cover and let this rest for 1 hour. While we're waiting for our dough to rise, we are going to prepare our meat. Add our meat to boiling water. We're gonna let this boil until tender. While we're waiting for the meat to boil, we're gonna chop up our vegetables. Our pork is done boiling, we're gonna take it out. And make sure not to throw this away. We're gonna use this a little later. Okay guys, we let this cool down, that way we can use our hands and it's easy to handle. So you can either chop this up, or if you use your hands, you can shred it to nice thin strips. Now we're gonna make the sauce for our siopao. First, add some water, cornstarch, sugar, and soy sauce. Once everything is mixed, we can turn on the fire. And once it gets thick like this, you know it's ready. Now we can prepare the filling. Oil to a pan. We're gonna add our onions. We're gonna add some salt. After about 2 minutes, we're gonna add our garlic. After about another minute, we're gonna add our pork. Wow, look at that nice color on it. Okay, after it's gotten some color, that's where the flavor is, we're gonna add some oyster sauce, some soy sauce, salt, pepper, and remember that broth we were boiling? We're gonna take some of that and add it in here. Once all the water has dissolved, we're gonna turn off the heat. Now we're gonna take that sauce that we made and add it in here. Make sure that it's nice and moist. Now we're gonna let this cool so we can handle it and put it in our siopao. Okay guys, our filling has been cooled down and our dough, check that out, is ready. Oh, did you hear that? Nice and soft. Okay, we're gonna roll it up. Then we can cut. We're gonna take our dough, take our rolling pin, it'll help us out. Now we're gonna take our meat and put it in the dough. Bring it in. Make sure it's sealed. Oh, Then we're gonna take some parchment paper. Today we used just some leftover cupcakes because we didn't have parchment paper, but these work perfect. And now we repeat. Take a look at all of these. Oh yeah. So I'm really excited. Now we can put these in our steamer. We got a double decker. We're gonna add in this. Make sure it seals. Put a towel on top, sealing the heat. Now we're gonna let this cook. Okay guys, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that! It's big! Oh my gosh, nice. It's so soft too. And there you have it! Siopao Asado, pork steamed bun. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try. It looks really, really good, don't you think? Now, it doesn't really matter the look, right? What matters is, how's the taste? Alright, let's try. But first, let's cut it in half. I can't wait to see that cross section. Oh man, wow, so soft. Pork steamed bun. Look inside there. Wow, smells so good. Pork flavor. We can't forget our sauce. Wow. Wow. It's good. Oh. The texture of steamed bun versus like a baked bread, totally different. It's nice, soft, fluffy. And the pork, so much flavor. The sauce is there. Excellent.
I gotta have more.
Oh yeah. That's money.
Oh, so delicious.
Yes. Oh yeah. So Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipes you'd like to see me do next. This recipe was really, really fun to do. I love cooking siopao. It's really nice, really delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!